today's video we'll be talking about the spiritual benefits of Bayleaf. So stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Waya Solution. If you're new here, definitely welcome. Thank you guys for supporting me. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing. You guys are the best. I'm so very happy. If you're new here, definitely welcome to the family. Please, if you're not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button and be part of the family. Turn on the bell notification for you to always get notification from YouTube anytime I upload new videos like this. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for watching. God bless you guys. So in today's video, I want to share with you guys the spiritual benefit of bay leaves. Okay, bay leaf as a whole has health benefit and a lot of health benefit and spiritual benefit. Okay, so today we'll focus on the spiritual benefit. Bay leaf. If I say bay leaf, I think a lot of people out there don't really know about this leaf, because anytime I mention bay leaf in any recipe or any remedy at all, people will be asking me, what is this bay leaf, what is this bay leaf? Especially here in Nigeria, I can say like 70%. If I'm talking to 100%, if I'm talking to 100 people, like 70% of people normally ask me, what is this bay leaf? I don't know this bay leaf. What's the name? What's the real name? What's the English name? Bay leaf is bay leaf. That's the English name. Okay, so this bay leaf here in Nigeria, it's used for cooking. Okay, you can get it from any from those people selling spices, food spices. Okay, it's used for cooking, especially jollof rice, Nigeria jollof rice. Okay, so anywhere you're watching me from, are you watching from Zambia, South Africa, Namibia, anywhere, you can get this particular leaf. I will be displaying it right on the screen. You can get this particular leaf from those people selling food spices. Okay, it's very, very effective. Okay, and the spiritual benefits, it's top notch. So this particular bay leaf, if you are a man or woman out there, you are experiencing evil eyes around you, you can use this bay leaf. Okay, it's effective. Okay, you can use this bay leaf for spiritual baths, to cleanse yourself. It's highly effective. If you want to get revelations in your dream, you can use this bay leaf. It's highly effective. So I'll be discussing all these method right on this video. Okay, if also you want to purify yourself spiritually, you can use this bay leaf. It's highly effective. Okay, so this is what you will do. If you're a man or a woman out there, like maybe you experience that your kids or your ward, they always fall sick, you can use this bay leaf. Okay, this is what you will do. Just go out there, get your bay leaf. Okay, you can get this bay leaf also from the mall. You can get it from the mall. I think you can also get it from ShopRite. So if you go out there, you can if you get this particular bay leaf from those spicy seller. Okay, now this is what you will do. You see this bay leaf, you know that people, everything around us is energy. You know that people, if anything you touch, if you are touching money, the money carries energy. Okay, if you are touching a chair, it carries energy, because everything is energy, but you can't see them with your physical eyes. So if you buy your bay leaf from the market or from the mall, because people have already touched it, so it's carrying some kind of energies which you can't see with your eyes. Okay, so this is what you will do. If you get your bay leaf from those spicy seller, this is what you will do. Just take the bay leaf, put it under the sun. Okay, but if you insist not to do this, it's okay, but I will advise you to do this. This is called charging. Okay, just to charge it, to remove those negative energy. Okay, just put it under the sun for like 3 hours. Okay, that's okay. Put it under the sun for like 3 hours, then you can take it in. It's already charged. Okay, it's charged, and it now carries positive energy. Okay, now after doing that, now this is what you do. That particular bay leaf, put some bay leaf in your kettle or in your pot, add some water. Okay, now boil for like 10 to 15 minutes, just 10 to 15 minutes. After you're done, that water pour the water into a bucket filled with water, the one that you want to use to bathe. Okay, pour it inside and use it to bathe. As you're bathing, just be praying that you remove negative energies, you remove any energies, any negativities in your body, you remove it. If you are using it to bathe your kids, just pray that you remove those negativity, those bad vibration. Okay, you can also sprinkle the water in your home, that you remove evil eyes from your home, you remove negative energy, you banish negativities away from your home. Okay, that's the number one step. This is highly effective. Okay, so now this is what you will do. Again, the second step for purification. If you are a man or a woman, you can also do this. Okay, if you want to purify yourself spiritually, like you just want to cleanse yourself inwards spiritually, just take some bay leaves, put it in your pot or your kettle, boil for like 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, now this is what you do. You see that bay leaf water, pour it inside a cup. Okay, pour it inside the cup, then you can allow it to cool down a little bit and drink it. Not only you're going to purify yourself spiritually, it has physical, that is, I mean, health benefit. Okay, so the health benefit is top notch. Okay, you're going to gain a lot. Okay, believe it's going to boost your immune system. That's physically, that's the health benefit. Okay, and also spiritually, the belief it's going to cleanse you, cleanse your body. It's going to cleanse you internally. Okay, if you just if you do this, it's going to cleanse you. You can do this for like 5 days or 7 days continuously. Like, do it day one, just boil Bayleaf for like 10 to 15 minutes, drink just day 1, day 2, day 3 to 7 days. Okay, if you are adding it in your bathing water if you want to use it to bathe, or to bathe your kids, or for your husband, or all that, or to sprinkle around your house, you can also do this for like 5 to 7 days. Okay, to get a maximum result. And also, please, before I forgot, as you bathe with the Bayleaf, please don't clean your body. Okay, once you're doing anything like that concerns spiritual bath, please don't clean your body. Allow your body to get dried. Okay, so that's it. So as I was saying in the second steps, so you're going to clean yourself spiritually. Okay, this is highly effective. Do this and you will see the wonders. And also, this particular belief, if you want to get some revelations in your dream, okay, if you want to get some revelations, all you have to do, get your Bayleaf, put it under your pillow. Okay, put it under your pillow and you can sleep off. Okay, you will see some revelations. Just do it. If you do it day one, you didn't see anything, just do it to like 7 days. You're going to see some revelations. Okay, you will see some deep revelations. Okay, this Bayleaf is highly effective. And also, there is another secret I want to share with you guys about this particular Bayleaf. Please, what are you still waiting for? If you have not yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button now. Share this video. You know that this video is highly informative. Okay, please share this video. Okay, and subscribe, please. Another secret I want to share with you guys about this Bayleaf. If you are a man, if you are a woman, you can just take just one leaf of Bayleaf. Okay, take just one leaf, put it inside your purse or your wallet. Okay, it attracts money. Okay, it attracts money, and it also draws positivity to you. Okay, it draws positivity. Now, if there is Bayleaf in your wallet or in your purse, because there is Bayleaf, those evil eyes, those evil how do I put it? Those evil eyes or evil spirits that draws money spiritually, they cannot be able to tamper with your money spiritually. Okay, because Bayleaf it's already there. So this Bayleaf attracts more money to you. It's not that if you put the Bayleaf in your wallet, you just go and sit down doing nothing. No, make sure you must have something doing. Okay, so the Bayleaf will be drawing positive energy to you and attract more money to you just as you're working. Don't put it inside your wallet or your purse and just go and sit down that it will attract money to you. No. Okay, make sure you're doing something. So that's it. I believe this video is very helpful and highly informative. Please, thank you.